Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the dollar Swiss, we definitely had a pretty decent push up yesterday. This could possibly make a much bigger move to the upside, especially looking at the dollar index. But unfortunately, we really don't have any actual proof of that yet. The daily's down, the weekly's down, the monthly is still down. So we still kind of need to assume that this move up could possibly be a pullback within a downtrend. So if we get any kind of a three-way pullback up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then an engulfing turn to the downside, I definitely think that we still need to be aware that it very likely could go down more. Now, for whatever reason, if it actually does just keep on going up, and if it does start to really give us a big breaks of structure, especially on the dollar, the US dollar index, then that is what will turn me from looking for shorts to looking for longs potentially on the daily time frame. So we definitely got to keep an eye on our structure, keep an eye on our Fibonacci levels as normal, and hopefully that will keep us trading in the correct direction. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.